you guys are having a wonderful time and welcome back to the Kavit Vora channel. Intro ने थका दिया. So some time ago on this channel we reviewed some questionable Netflix series which let's just say were super bad. But today we have an Indian series called The Indian Matchmaking. Let's just say उनको strong competition देता है. So for those who have been living under a rock, Indian Matchmaking is a series where an auntie called Seema Auntie or Seema Mami as she calls herself guides individuals who are very desperate to get married and are struggling to get married, just get them married. Well, I hope that made sense.
In India, marriage is a very big industry, a very big fat industry.
It is not just a fat industry, it's actually a fat making industry. कभी खाना देखा है इन शादियों में? अरे सर ये पतीले में मैंने घी डाल दिया है, तेल भी डाल दिया है, अभी थोड़ा सा जगह बचा है तो मैं सब्जी डाल दूं क्या इसमें थोड़ा? हाँ चल जाएगा ना? And the way people eat, माँ कसम जब से इन्विटेशन मिला ना शादी का तब से इन लोग ने खाना पीना छोड़ दिया अपने घर पे.
I study my database of all the clients and go for a good fit.
जितना नेटफ्लिक्स से पैसा मिला ना उतना एक लैपटॉप में इन्वेस्ट कर लो. पेपर बुक की पूरी चद्दर बिछा के ये क्या कर रही है मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसा माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल में ऐसा अलग अलग कॉलम्स में सब डाल दोगे ना तो जब भी सर्च भी करना हो तो ऐसा फटाफट सर्च कर सकते हैं. एक एक चीज ढूंढने के लिए पूरा फैमिली गैदरिंग करने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. जस्ट बिकॉज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज एंशिएंट डजंट मीन योर मेथड्स आल्सो हैव टू बी एंशिएंट.
It's very difficult to match all these criteria.
Actually, I don't understand all this.
And horoscope is a main thing in India.
और गुरु इनके भाग्य के घर में बैठा हुआ है.
95% of the people they match horoscopes.
दूसरा सबसे बड़ा मेजर चीज है कि हाउ इज वेरी गुड इन द बेड, सेक्स लाइफ.
Imagine if you go to a pandit and he finds out every detail about your sex life from a fucking piece of paper. मेरा गांड फट जाएगा उधर. I would be petrified. अरे तुम्हारी कुंडली में बाकी सब तो खुशल है but you are not performing well in bed बेटा. On Thursday you lasted only 15 seconds. और ट्यूसडे को तो किया ही मत करो. एक काम करो ट्यूसडे को तुम अपनी बीवी को मेरे पास भेज दिया करो. I will handle. Alright, I've had enough of Seema Mami. Contestants को बुलाओ please.
My friends and they're with their husbands all the time and I'm like, don't you hate that person? Like you see them all the time.
Nah. She's kidding. She has to be. No way she thinks that. No way. There's no chance.
Like they're my husband and I'm like, oh, do we have to see our husbands all the time? The thing that people have to do? Because I'd rather not, I think.
कोई दीदी को साइड में ले जाके समझाओ that you marry someone you love, not someone you hate. Why would you hate to be around your husband? Why? इसको देख के लगता ही है that she would marry someone she hates. उस लड़के के लिए इससे बड़ा punishment क्या होएगा?
I'm a lawyer and I volunteer and I travel everywhere I can. Every day I'm sad I've only made it to 40 countries. How will I get to 41? Like, this is like a literal daily struggle for me. Like, what will I do?
I think you are absolutely correct. कितना बड़ा struggle है ये. We all should come together and protest for her. ग्रेटा थनबर्ग को बुलाओ, धरना करेंगे इनके लिए. नहीं क्लाइमेट तो गांडी मराने गया. It's not important.
What's your preferences like be social or sense of humor? They want a good sense of humor in their partner.
No, I want to get married to someone with a shit sense of humor. ये क्या फालतू सवाल चल रहा है?
People care about sense of humor.
They want they're lively, jolly.
No.
So they want the other partner to accept.
There's nothing about me that I think I need to change or evolve or grow into to be a better partner for someone else.
अरे दीदी आपको इंडिया के पागल खाने ले जाए या अमेरिका में कोई सेटिंग करवाए? नहीं wherever you are comfortable.
My friend set me up with someone and we went on one date and quite quickly I realized not for me. Nice guy, but you know, when I told him I wanted to go to Bolivia during the wet season to see the flamingos in that red lake, he looked at me blankly. He didn't know Bolivia had salt flats. I was like, oh, yeah.
ये जो इतना बकवास बोल रही है इसको खुद को सुनाई दे रहा है.
I also appreciate people that have passions outside of work though. I'd want someone who believes that being a father is like a very active thing that they do. I don't date lawyers because we can't both be, wanting the same things. So I'm not that picky. If a guy wants to dress the way he dresses, that's negotiable later. We can talk about that. So yeah, otherwise I'm pretty open to meeting people. It's kind of the place I'm at right now.
अरे हो गया क्या? अरे और आधा बुक बचा है अभी, और कोई ख्वाहिश है लिखवा लो। नहीं, सेंटा क्लॉज आएंगे आपकी लिस्ट के अनुसार एक लड़का लेके गिफ्ट रैप करके झाड़ नीचे छोड़ जाएंगे। नहीं, एक काम करो ना, शकला का बुम का पेंसिल ले लो, एक लड़का ड्रॉ कर लेना, माँ कसम टाइगर श्रॉफ जैसा पेपर फाड़ के निकलेगा।
You have put the pictures of these kittens?
No, so that's my dog, Conan.
Now I know how she's tolerating Aparna. ये constantly high है. No person in the right senses confuses between a cat and a dog. And that's not even the funniest part. The funniest part is that these people have to trust on her to find them a partner to get married.
Children were very, very young when we came here. And the first thing I told them when we landed in New York was, please don't ever let me down and don't let me look bad in our society, in our community. I don't ever want to see a B on a report card. I don't want 2 degrees, I want 3. Nothing less than 3 degrees.
अरे आप ना वो पागल खाने का पूरा वैन ही भेज दो। हाँ वो पेशेंट की माँ को भी साथ में इलाज करवाना है। हाँ उनका थोड़ा टफ केस है बट हो जाएगा।
Thank you.
Srinivas Roberts.
He's 6'2".
That's nice.
ओहो आंटी 6 फुट 2 इंच सुन के फिर से जवान 6 feet 2. आंटी केयरफुल 6 feet 2 inch can easily be 2 different measurements. 6 feet वो और 2 इंच.
His profile, very nice person who understands sense of humor.
You know how I hate comedy.
I'm done. You hate comedy. You just hate comedy. Not even a specific type. Like मेरे को political comedy नहीं पसंद, मेरे को vulgar comedy नहीं पसंद, adult comedy नहीं पसंद, नहीं. बस comedy नहीं चाहिए. कोई भी joke मारा तो देख लेना, इधर जीभ काट दूंगी. अरे तुम्हारा पागल खाने का वैन किधर पहुंचा? ऑन द वे का क्या मतलब है? इधर पेशेंट का हालत खराब हो रहा है, जल्दी भिजवाओ.
I love to cook. I have a knack for food.
Oh my God.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
He always tried
one.
something different.
Yes.
Thank you. But is it
Wait a second. Those are 5 pound note. वो 5 pound का नोट है और वो उसको टिश्यू पेपर की तरह यूज कर रहा है. I'm fine. ठीक हूँ मैं. इसकी माँ का भाई वो फालतू जूस पी के वो 5 पाउंड के नोट से अपना मुंह साफ करेगा. अगर ये पाउंड से मुंह धो रहा है ना तो पक्का डॉलर से तो पोछा मारता होगा. और रुपीस की तो बात ही मत करना, लगता है 100 की नोट से सीधा गांड साफ करता होगा ये.
This drink, we have added flavors of all the flowers. Which
what are the
there.
flowers like?
So there's basil, there's thyme, there's all of them are edible. So as it keeps on melting, the flavor of the drink is going to.
Look at his dad. शक्ल पे disappointment, दर्द, confusion सब दिख रहा है. उसको मालूम ही नहीं है कि चल क्या रहा है. अरे बेटा हमने तो विस्की और सोडा मंगाए थे, तुम जड़ी बूटी वाला जूस काहे ले आए हो?
Next dish is peri peri fox nuts. Auntie, we have used liquid nitrogen in this. Basically, liquid nitrogen is minus 178 degrees Celsius, and because of the texture of the fox nuts.
कोई मेरे को समझाओ कि ये चल क्या रहा है. कोई साइंस प्रोजेक्ट का प्रेजेंटेशन है क्या? लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन इज -17. कोई नहीं पूछा तेरे को. अरे कोई ये कमलेश की मम्मी को समझाओ कि ये ओपियम गांजा नहीं है, इस पे ही हाई होना है इन्हें. सस्ते नशे का असर है ये.
The most interesting thing for me is my closet,
Okay.
and this is my wardrobe. This is where the magic happens.
Not sure about that. Not sure. And if that is true, that is highly concerning.
Very good natured guy and I can find good matches. But
वाह कसम क्या घर है। मेरे से शादी कर ले, मेरे से शादी कर ले, मैं लोगों को सर्व करेगा ड्रिंक्स ऑन 5 pound notes. We will make magic happen in your closet.
Nadia Jagistar. I live in New Jersey with my family. My ultimate hope for this is just to meet a nice Indian guy who was kind of on the same page as me.
एक minute. She seems like a normal person. How has this happened? What are you doing on this show?
Hi. Come on in.
Nadia.
Yes.
Hi, Seema from Mumbai.
Hi, it's so nice to meet you.
Tell me, like, what are your preferences? Like, what type of life partner you'd like?
Someone hopefully who's tall. I know that's
How
a very
tall, like, how tall?
I'm 5'9", so I
हैंचोत 8 फुट 13 इंच माइकल जॉर्डन की औलाद ले आओ। ऊट है ऊट से शादी करेंगे।
passionate, ambitious,
Open-minded.
smart, funny, open-minded, traveling.
I am actually a bit confused. She has reasonable expectations from a future partner. Then why do you need Seema Mami? She does not play that game. She does not prefer that style.
So my family's from Guyana, and our ancestry is from India, but we just left a little bit earlier than other people have to.
She's beautiful and she has a very good family values and very good natured. But she's Guyanese, it will be difficult for me.
अरे गायनीज तो ऐसे बोल रहे हैं जैसे कि पूरे खानदान का कोई दूर का कनेक्शन है ओसामा बिन लादेन के साथ। गायनीज very tough to match. I swear she gets through her entire database and finds someone right for her.
Till school, life is kind of easy. When I was in Boston for my undergrad, I had to do all kinds of things that I would never do over here.
Oh my God, कितना struggle किया है बेचारे ने। अरे कोई funding link चालू करो यार इसके लिए।
Came back, even parents are like, oh, now you're back and everything is good, so now you can get married. But I mean, it all depends when I meet the right person.
Till now, seems like a decent guy. Don't see this going very wrong, to be honest. I mean, बंदा FIFA खेल रहा है, कितना ही खराब होगा।
किस टाइप की लड़की I mean आपकी चाहत है कि मेरी बहू किस टाइप की आए जैसे?
प्रपोजल्स तो ना इसको अच्छे आ रहे हैं, बहुत आ रहे हैं।
Auntie, that's not the answer to the question. You are just unnecessarily praising your son in the weirdest way possible.
ऐसे कई देखे मैंने मैच मेकिंग मैंने करा है कि चलो आज हुआ है कल मिले और परसों यस।
Wait. What? ऐसा कौन शादी कर रहा है यहाँ पे? ये शादी का बात चल रहा है या वन नाइट स्टैंड? क्योंकि उसमें भी 3 दिन से ज़्यादा लगता है। आंटी जी आपका वाला माल फूकना है एक बार, बस एक बार। नहीं फॉर रियल।
क्या कर रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, पैकिंग कर रहा हूँ ट्रिप के लिए। मैं अभी शॉपिंग भी किया, शर्ट एंड जीन्स।
I want to talk to you.
Why are you so shy to talk to your own brother? ऐसा लग रहा है यही प्रपोज करने वाला है।
My mom's very particular about some things. I would want my life partner to have the same qualities.
Yeah, we going for girls above 5'3", फिर इसकी हाइट को मैच होता है।
गले में ना मेजरिंग टेप लेके जाओ लड़की को मिलने। हाँ, बात करने से पहले एक बार हाइट माप लो। Imagine rejecting someone for something they have no control on. Like how would that conversation go? अपनी compatibility, chemistry, likes, dislikes सब बराबर है, बट वो तुम खाली 5 फुट 2 इंच हो यार। थोड़ा 1-2 महीना कॉम्प्लान पी के आओ, फिर हम लोग बात करेंगे, ठीक है?
I was 23 when I got married. And now you're 25. Clock is ticking.
But why did you say? I'll be stuck for life then. ऐसा was the wrong decision.
With height.
This man is 25 और इसको अब तक नहीं समझा है how sentences and words work together. मैंने अब तक एक proper sentence नहीं सुना है. He just starts giggling annoyingly at the end of the sentences.
हाँ ठीक है ना.
And you'll cooperate.
We'll meet. We'll see.
No. See, you get married this year, and they have a baby next year. So they are getting late because of you.
एक minute, wait. What have I just heard? How is one brother's wedding linked or connected to another brother having a child? और ये personal conversation भी नहीं है, dinner table पे है. And plus, there are cameras around you. You could not have chosen a worse point to speak about something like this. Imagine her daughter-in-law just turning around and saying, Sasuma, I'm already pregnant hai.
I'm in love. I've never actually had that kind of feeling about anyone. I've had that kind of feeling about things, about movies, about work, about a project that I've been doing on. But it's never been about anyone else.
हेलो, हाँ एक और वैन का अरेंजमेंट करना है. हाँ मुंबई में माँ और बेटे की जोड़ी है, दोनों दिमाग के पेशेंट है. मम्मी का थोड़ा केस प्रॉब्लमेटिक है बट बेटा ठीक हो जाएगा. अरे और कितना बाकी है ये सब कचरा हटाओ. आई जस्ट वांट टू सी हिम टॉक टू अ गर्ल. बस मेरे को कॉन्वर्सेशन सुनना है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बस सुनना है.
Hello. Hi. And tell me, something about you. And do you like dogs and all?
I like dogs. Yeah, they're loyal, no?
I mean,
It's like it's playtime when it's free time. In the dance, yeah, they have it like a glance. Yeah, we stepping out the room.